What is the primary function of the pre-processing stage when handling requests within the GitHub Copilot Chat workflow? Option A, it applies formatting styles to the generated content for the user. Option B, it removes unnecessary details from the query submitted by the user. Option C, it enhances the user's query by incorporating relevant background data prior to being processed by the AI model. Option D, it performs the actual creation of the answer derived from the user's initial request.
When we look at how AI assistants process information, we often break the workflow down into distinct phases. We have the input phase, the processing phase, and the output phase. The pre-processing stage is that critical window between when a user hits enter and when the actual model starts its analysis. Think of this as the preparation step, where the system decides what additional information it needs to feed the model to make its response truly useful for the specific task at hand.
In my view, the correct answer is C. The pre-processing stage in the GitHub Copilot Chat workflow is fundamentally about context gathering. Before the AI model sees the user's prompt, the system works to collect vital information, like the active file, the overall workspace structure, recent code changes, and the history of the current conversation. By wrapping the user's request with this supplemental data, the model can provide far more accurate and relevant suggestions than if it were working alone. Let's address the other options. Option A describes a post-processing task, which happens after the response is generated. Option B is incorrect because the objective is to enrich the prompt with context, not to filter it out. Finally, option D is incorrect because the heavy lifting of generating the response is performed by the large language model itself, not the pre-processing layer. As an exam tip, always focus on the specific role each architectural layer plays in the lifecycle of an AI request.